Okay, students, we are running session 3. In the previous session we have learned insert, update and delete commands. Right now we are going to learn about the relationship in DBMS. Okay, so what is relationship? Means any association between two entity types is called the relationship. Entities may be teacher, students, or anything, that is called the entity, or we can say the objects. Entity take part in the relationship and it is represented by the diamond shape. For example, teacher teaches the students, so in this teaches is a relationship between teacher and the students, because the teachers make the communication between them, so that the teaches is called the relationship, and this is the relationship between the teacher entity and the student entity. So we are going to learn about the types of relationship. There are three types of relationship. First, one-to-one relationship. Second, one-to-many, or we can say many-to-one relationship. And number three, many-to-many relationship. So let's learn first one-to-one relationship. Such a relationship exists when each record of a table is related to only one record of the other table. Means here we have one table, that for example here person has a passport only one in lifetime, right? Like Aadhaar card, it is the example of the one-to-one relationship. So in one table the one primary key is given, and in another table another field primary key is given. So if both have only one relationship, one-to-one, that is called the one-to-one relationship. Second, one-to-many means such a relationship exists when each record of one table can be related to one or more than one record to the other table, that is called the one-to-many, and this relationship is the most common relationship found. Also we can see the many-to-one also. Okay, for example a customer has an account, maybe have one account or two account or three accounts may have, so that is the example of the one-to-many. And many-to-many means such a relationship exists when the each record of a first table can be related to the one or more than other record of the second table, and the single record of the second table can be related to one or more the on a first table, so that is called one-to-many or many-to-many. So here number of records are here m, means number of records belongs to the product and number of products belongs to the customers. Okay, means number of customers can buy the number of products, and also number of products can be buy by the customers also. So this is called the one-to-one, one-to-many and many-to-many. Now let's see examples how to create this kind of relationship in the Access. So we are going to open the base first. Okay, so here we have opened the Microsoft base and its type. Okay, now let's see, first we have to create two or more tables to assign a relationship between two or more tables. So we are going to create a table using the wizard, because as we know we have different tables are there. For example here account table is there, so click account table, account ID. Okay, no, we don't want all, then account number, account name, okay, and description only. Next we are going to everything remain same. First field it will be account, field type is integer. No, we don't want integer, we will keep it in the form of varchar, or means text only. Okay, we are not finding here text, so we'll keep same. Okay, now next primary key, it will be default created the primary key. Okay, use existing field the primary key account ID. Next, and insert the immediate records. Okay, so record account number 1, name is Amit and nothing, right? 2, and then Kirti, and then okay, okay, now save it and close this. So first table we have created, that is account. Now we are going to create another table on the personal, not account, but in this case we will create different table that is called the author. Okay, in that we'll keep the author ID, then nationality and notes. Okay, and then next to it same integer type, we'll keep it same, field name the author ID, and next and finish. Your author ID 1, nationality Indian, note then second, in the second author ID we'll write okay. In the third, okay, and close it, save it. Now click on the tools. We have two ways to create relationship. You can click here relationship and the dialog box will appear. Now select the tables on which we are going to apply, so account and the author. Okay, now close it. Now to apply the relationship, if we apply relationship account ID to only here author ID, so it is called 1 to 1. But if we assign author account ID to author ID and nationality both, then it is called 1 to many. And many to many means if in this number of fields can communicate to the number of authors also, and here number of fields from author can communicate with the account also, that is called to many to many. Okay, to insert the, we can click on the new relationship. Okay, just you can click here and drag and put it here, so it is called 1 to 1. Okay, now we want to put here these two nationalities, so we can put here these two also. Okay, edit it. So here account field is author is them, so in this nationality belongs to the account name, then click OK. Okay, so it is not similar, that's why it is not finding. Both should be required the okay, so it requires both primary key. When we assign it, we require the primary key also for this. So we are not assigning the many to many, but in short, many to many means more than one field can be assigned the relationship to the here more than one field also, so this is called the many to many. Okay students, so this is called the relationship in the database. Okay, and next we are going to solve this exercise. There are dash types of relationship in a table, so 3. Dash includes commands to enable users to enter and manipulate the data, that is DML. A popular data manipulation language is called the SQL, structured query language. The file extension of database is created using OpenOffice.org base is .odb, OpenOffice database. Question answers: name all the DML commands and also mention their functions. So select to retrieve the data from the database, insert to insert the records into the table, update means to change or modify the table data, and delete means if you want to delete any data from the table. Define sorting, write the steps to sort the table in OpenOffice base. So sorting is used to arrange the table records in ascending or descending order. To do so, we have to click on the table data view, and here we have two options. This is for the ascending A to Z down arrow key, and Z to A, that is called the descending order. Explain the referential integrity with an example. Referential integrity is a set of rules that ensure relationship between rows in related tables are valid and that related data is not accidentally deleted or changed. It is also ensured that information in one table matches the information in another table, like product number here in one table and another table product number is there, so all the product numbers should be matched to the another table also. Define the different types of relationships, so 1 to 1, 1 to many, and many to many. What are the advantages of relationship in a database? So in a relationship, first we can define how various tables are linked together. Then we can decide the number of records in one table that are related to other records in the other table. Enables you to prevent redundant data, that means we can minimize the duplicate copies of the same data. So this is all about the session 4. Okay, and its relationship and how to manage the relationship, how to assign the relationship in the database, we already have seen. After this we will try to learn about the queries, how to set the queries. Till then, thank you, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos.